I'm over here breathing hard, walking up this hill, and she goes, I didn't do very well in CPR. Well, thanks. That's alright. I didn't need to breathe anyway.
We'll catch your breath for the next set.
Oh, the next set's easy compared to that set. Not as tall.
Winded. Let's wait a minute.
This is the best time to do this. Cardio. Cardio. I'm not going to have a heart attack. I'm just out of shape. More stairs. How about this? I'm walking up the side here. It's easier. Oh. Okay. All those who need to exercise more, raise your hands.
Oh, hello.
Well, I guess I better. Wow. Okay. I'm doing. What's that? Oh, that's the best thing for you. Besides breathing hard. Woo! Damn. Hey, subscribe. Please. I'm killing myself out here. I need you to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up too. Give us 2. Just for this trek.
Just for climbing them.
Oh man. We got the creek. I'm showing you nature and beauty.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful. B-E-A-beautiful.
Oh, I thought you were going to smell a bear. I was thinking to get excited.
Get excited about a bear? Yeah. Okay, we're out of breath now, but watch the camera go back and forth as we're running down the trail away from a bear.
Well, you started spelling B-E-A. I'm like, bear?
Wow.
Log.
Yes, there's a log. Yes, we could.
If you weren't afraid to fall in. I'm not that sure-footed.
I'm a weeble. I wobble quite a bit.
You don't fall down.
Yeah, I do.
That's what weebles do.
I don't fall down, I bounce. Okay.
Weebles wobble, but they don't fall down. More stuff.
More stuff. And I hear the falls. We're almost there.
I hear other people.
Yes, there's other people up here. Yeah. There's a bunch of people up here. Bunch of people. Yeah, they took the car trip up there.
I think it was a briar patch.
Huh? Yes, we have small children throwing rocks. Next thing I do, I get hit with a rock. Boink.
I had a saw briar reach out and get my ankle. It was terrible. But the bear got me. Okay, here's the falls.
Okay.
Collins Creek Falls.
Collins Creek Falls. Hey, up here.
It's pretty. And it's cute.
It goes all the way up in there. More water coming from that side too. Usually that side's not running. It's running this year. Well, this time of year. I'm gonna come up here. Smile, I'll make you famous. We put this on YouTube.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. Yep. There's the pipe way up there. There's the pipe. You can see that. That is just pretty. It runs down there. The water's climbing up my way. Thank you. Goodbye.
It'll be safer to go barefoot. That's slippery.
I'm good. But that is beautiful. All this wood. Huh? The Hebers. You can see it on Tie-Dyed and Southern Fried on YouTube. Huh? I'm Tie-Dyed, she's Southern Fried. There she is. She's over there wading. She's like a little kid herself. Yeah, it is a little cold. Cold, dear? Yes, it will. It is pretty. She's pulling off. Should get my hat wet and stick it on. Is it slippery? Huh? Okay. Fill up my hat. No. Huh? No, it won't. It's straw.
You want it all wet?
Just a little bit. Behind you. I'm getting eaten alive out here. I'm getting eaten alive. That's good.
What are you getting eaten alive by?
I don't know, something's biting me.
I'm getting bit by nothing.
They just love my blood. But this is beautiful out here. The king of the world. And there's the king of the world. You all nice and cool now?
Yeah. I renamed that.
Yeah. Flashback water.
No.
Or
hot
flash
hot
water.
flash falls.
Hot flash falls. Okay. You've heard it here again, folks. Original. Hot flash falls. It's so cold it'll kill the hot flashes. Yeah. Well, we're going to trek back down. So, see you in a bit.
Cool.
Check it out. That is a split rock. Right there in the base of that tree. Huh. Huh. Alright, we're going to head back down. And I'll see you there.
If you enjoy our videos, please click like.
Give us a thumbs up.